Welcome to lesson 64. Solve inequalities using multiplication or division. So solving lesson 64 of algebraic concepts. Here's our objective, our vocabulary, our rules and notes. You can always pause the video and take a look. So what do? 4 is being multiplied to the variable, so that means we have to divide both sides by 4. K is greater than 6, 0, 6, and goes that way. All numbers bigger than 6, not including 6. Okay, so we have negative 1 is greater than or equal to negative x over 11. So this means we multiply both sides by negative 11. Multiply by negative 11. This becomes 11. The sign flips because we multiply by a negative. We're going to flip everything around. And this is how we graph 0, 11. We include the number and everything greater than. The solution set is every number greater than or equal to 11. So those were our 2 examples for this lesson. Please try to practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, so negative 12x plus 4x is negative 8x is less than negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 8. Divide by negative 8. X is less than 1/2. 0 and 1. 1/2 is halfway between. That's why it's called 1/2. And it does not include 1/2. So again, when you are given number lines on tests and things like that, you'll be given some kind of tick marks that will represent whole numbers, and you're going to have to estimate where to put your answer. So think about it and be deliberate in your choice. And it's helpful to actually write the numbers on the tick marks. So let's show you what I'm talking about from the last problem with this problem. So you got negative 10z is greater than or equal to negative 20. I divide by negative 10. I divide by negative 10. We get positive 2. Sign flips. Greater than z. Switch everything around. So in case I get ticks with no numbers on them. I know that this is 2 ticks to the right of 0. So that means I'm right here on 2. Close circle because it's underlined. And I fill in a 2. So that was our final problem, our second problem. So thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see.